Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First up are these new smocked off the shoulder tops from Scoop. They have this little tier smocking through the body, seam fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the green. So new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker strap, square neckline, seam detail, fit and flare. That same fit through the back. Romper from Levi's and Strauss. This has this smaller collar, full button, comes in at the waist pockets, and then the seam detailing through the back. And they're $39.98. Embroidered pants from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, this little beaded flower detail with the seaming. These are a mid-rise carpenter pant, and then it also has the beading through the back. Black denim from Free Assembly. These look like they're high-rise straight. It says slim leg, and then they also have a mid-rise boot cut in the black. Denim from Scoop. So these look like they are high-rise. They have the whiskering straight through the leg. It says relaxed fit jean. Oh, mid-rise loose fit, and they're $28. New satin trench coat from Scoop from the Devil Wears Prada line. Has the smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, the little banded sleeve, belted, that same fit through the back. Look how pretty that color is. New color in this little sweater tank. So we saw it in the blue stripe. Now they have it in this orange. Has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, little ruffle trim, seam fit through the back, and they are $24. They also have the skirts to match, but I don't see them here today. Right next to it, also new from Free Assembly. This one has the little cardigan, buttons, puff sleeve, textured with the rib bottom and the ivory. Also comes in the navy, and they are $26. New embroidered sweater from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline, the little puff sleeve, all that embroidering with the rib bottom. Seam fit through the back. How pretty. And that one's $30. So new sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has that scallop trim, the scallop sides. In this acid wash blue, also comes in the yellow, and they're $24. New dress from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, full button, the little tie with the drop tier, puff sleeve. We saw like a little jacket from this line, or like this print, and a lot of people asked. They just added it, so I'll also link that. So I'm not sure why my store had a couple of them when they weren't online. Maybe they were available in some other stores, but those are going to be $39. So flutter sleeve top from Gloria Vanderbilt. This has that plunging V flutter sleeve with the Swiss top, relaxed fit in the white, also in that paisley print, and they're $25.98. Here are those skirts in that red color. So these have an elastic waistband, ribbed and stretchy. We saw it in the blue. They match back to these. New tees from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, side seam, stretchy material, more of a boxy fit, in the red and beige, and they're $19.98. Next basic we're shopping for is lightweight denim. These are from Gloria Vanderbilt. Sneak peek item. Look how nice these are. They're like a pajama. It has that French terry, elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, flowy wide leg, and then the seam fit through the back, and they're $29.98. They have this mid-tone and then one shade darker. No dresses from Time and True. These have that smaller collar, full button, fit and flare with the pockets, elastic through the back, in the stripe. Also comes in the black, and they're $22.98. Also new from Time and True are these muscle style tees. They have that crew neckline, dolman sleeve with the little twist, super soft, kind of burnout material, in the purple, also in the green, and they're $14.98. So new front pocket trousers from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, that front pocket wide and flowy through the leg. And then also new from Time and True are these smock tops. They have that flutter sleeve, squared neckline, embroidering through the front and back, and they are $15.98. Sneak peek smock dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, sleeveless smocking, with the flowy skirt, that seam fit through the back. And they are $39. Look how pretty that eyelet trim is. New sneak peek tops from Scoop. So they have the ruffled trim, this little tie detail, open front. So what the material looks like up close with the flutter sleeve in the black, also in the ivory, and they're $26. New tank from Jessica Simpson. So this one has that scallop trim, scallop on the side, the little tiers, same fit through the back with the little tie. In this brown, blue, green, orange, also the ivory, and they are going to be $26.50. And they also have from Free Assembly these new cardigans. They have that higher neckline, the gold buttons, all this little embroidered detailing, and then just a little bit on the sleeve, and they're $30. So new from Free Assembly are these high neck tanks. These have the thin strap, squared neckline, stretchy through the front and the back. And I think these are 10. And then also new from Free Assembly are these embroidered skirts. They have that seam detail, fit and flare. You can see all the little embroidery. There's a little fish, a sailboat, and they're $32. New sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline, the ruffled sleeve, also the ruffled bottom. Same fit through the back in the blue, also in the green. New Lynette Lepore dress. So this has the full functioning buttons, belt, puff sleeve. It's a chiffon material, fit and flare with the drop tier, and then that same fit through the back. And they're $24. So new from Scoop are these little lace trim shorts. These have the elastic waistband, drawstring with the lace. I know these are in a few colors. They have a lime green online, and then I think maybe a blue. Also new linen blazer from Scoop. So this has the smaller collar, lapel, completely lined, tortoise button, the two front pockets with the tortoise buttons on the wrist. That same fit through the back, fit and flare. So new Scoop scuba shorts. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, that seam detail. They had like a coral color here the other day, but they don't have them no more. Sneak peek tops from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline, smaller buttons, puff sleeve. It's a point-tail material, really nice length through the front and then also in the back. Comes in the light blue, also in the green, and they are new sequin tanks from No Boundaries. So these have the thin straps, this V neckline. They are shorter through the front and then no sequins through the back. Brought back these dresses from No Boundaries. I saw it on the website in the ivory. I had it last year in the ivory. Now they have it in this purple color, and they also changed the tassel, so now it has a little shell. Has a V neckline, this tie, the crochet tiers, adjustable strap. These are $21.98. No Boundaries baby doll dress. So these have the braided strap, V neckline, that little tie, fit and flare with the smocking in the back. New from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline. This is what the sleeve looks like. So it is banded, fit and flares out with the belt. Has the seam detail through the back, and these are $16.98. Also new sleeveless top from Time and True. This has the little gather detail, this tie, relaxed fit, super soft and stretchy. I think this one's online only, and also online only is this dress from Time and True. So it has the smocking, tiers, that seam fit through the back. So new, this one's from Scoop. It's the Devil's Wears Prada line. We didn't really get too much of that here in Florida, but when I looked online in New Jersey, I think they had a lot of different pieces. But this has that sweetheart neckline and has the sticky built in, seam fit through the back. It looks like they're $22 online. They have the black. There's also red and white. Also new pointel sweater from Time and True. This has the scallop trim, side seam, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. That's what it looks like up close. And then that same fit through the back. These we're shopping for are shorts. These are new from Celebrity Pink. They're high rise, wide leg. They're more of a longer fit through the front. The jorts in this lighter wash, also in the mid-tone. And they are going to be, I think they're $19. Little short alls from Celebrity Pink. So these have that drawstring, front pocket, side pocket, a little crisscross in the back. in the mid-tone, also in the lighter wash, and they are going to be $26.50. Also sneak peek pants from Celebrity Pink. So these have an elastic waistband, the little tie, flowy wide leg, that seam fit through the back, and the pants are $19.50. To match, they have this little tank, so it has the thin straps, buttons all the way down, the little peplum, and then elastic in the back. And the tank tops are $16.50. Also new sweat shorts from Celebrity Pink. These have an elastic waistband, the little tie, side pocket in the coral, also in that pink. And the sweatpants, the sweat shorts are $17. And to match the coral, they have that coral tank. We saw it in the white, has that scoop neckline, ribbed and stretchy in the white, also in the coral, and they're $14.50. Sneak peek tank from Celebrity Pink. This one has the thin straps with the little wood ball detail, baby doll fit, seam through the back. In the mid-tone, also in the light chambray, and they are $16.50. And then they also have these shorts, elastic waistband, tie, side pocket, seam fit through the back in the denim, also in the floral. We saw that dress in this print. Now they have the shorts, and the shorts are $16.50. Also new zip pullovers from Celebrity Pink. So these have a French terry, that quarter zip, the ribbing, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Look how cute the little rainbow is, with the raw hem, seam fit through the back. Also comes in the coral. Sweatshirts are $24.50, and then to match, another $19.50. They have these shorts. So they have the stripe with the drawstring, this French terry with the pocket on the back, and the shorts are $14.50. We saw the coral. So these new sneak peek puff sleeve dresses, they have that smocking at the top. It's a chiffon material, tiers and flowy through the front and the back. Pocket jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise, that pocket, wide flowy leg, and they are $28. And then they also have these jeans from Free Assembly. They're high rise. They have that raw hem at the bottom, pockets on the back, and these are $26. Crop undone hem jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise with the whiskering, that raw hem, pockets on the back, and they're $28. Also new sneak peek shorts from Madden NYC. These look like they're high rise. They have that raw hem, pockets on the back in this light wash, also the mid-tone, and they're going to be $18.50. And then also new, these are from Social Edition, little graphic tees. They have that crew neckline. How cute is that one with the little Americana, little cherries, watermelon, butterfly. They also have this bow one, and then America's Sweetheart, and they're $4.98. The short pajama sets from Joyce Spun. So this is, looks like they have Mommy and May. These are the kid ones. The smaller collar, little shorts. In the bunnies, they have a blue stripe. This is the woman's. There's the floral. So look for Mommy and May. It looks like $16.98. I don't see the price for the kids. New bodysuits from No Boundaries. These are that ribbed seamless material. Has the thicker strap. Thong style back in the white, also in the black, and they're $9.98. Colors in the tube dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the elastic fitted through the body. They are shorter in the black, coral, blue, and these are only $6.98. Tanks are so nice for the price. Ribbed and stretchy. They have that V neckline, seam fit through the back. White, black, the coral. Now they also have lime, and they're $6.98. So new tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline. It's a pointel material in the white and blue, also in the gray, and they're $13.98. They have these new t-shirt bodysuits. These have that crew neckline, super soft. It says it's 90% cotton. The rest is spandex in the black, white, and gray, and they're $16.98. So two-piece pajama sets from No Boundaries. So these have the button down top, squared in the back with these little bloomer style shorts, In the red and white gingham also comes in the strawberry. They have the blue polka dot and then a stripe, and they're $17.98. How cute is this new bikini set? So it has the little dolphin, the watercolor, and then the little bottoms has the adjustable strap. And I think they're $13.98 each. Piece bathing suits from No Boundaries. So these have that halter reversible in the blue and red. Also comes in, I think I saw another print with the reversible, but they only have this one here. How cute is this little Italy print? And the one pieces are $22.98. Cute are these visors. I just did an outfit with the lobster one. It's like a mermaid look. And then they also have the shell. Those are $9.97. They also have new jewelry from Free Assembly. So they have this little necklace. It's $18. This double necklace, like 2 small herringbones, $18. This is pure Porte bonus. I don't know what it said. The pine, look at the little pineapple charm, $20. 2 sets of earrings, a little cord. Oh, I should get that for my mom. $18. They're all between $18 and $20. There's a silver hoop set. This necklace is cute. $18. New sneakers from Avia. These have the round toe knit with the little holes on the side now, and the gray with the pink, and they're $22. These are also new from Avia with the air in this new like 2-tone pink. They're $23. We have all of the No Boundaries slides. We saw just the lobster in the last shop with me, but now they have the sardines, the cherries, and the lemons. They have the round tail. They look like up close. These are $24.98. They have some new rubber flip-flops from No Boundaries. The shell, the burgundy, black, and the pearl, and they're $5.48. Mesh slingbacks from No Boundaries. These have the round toe that mesh with the elastic. I saw these in beige too. They don't have them here, but they're $24.98. New sneakers from No Boundaries. These have the round toe. They have the stripe on the side with the gummy bottom, and the yellow with the black stripe, and they're $24.98. And also new boat shoes from Chaps. These have that round toe, the rubber bottom, and they're $32. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.